dog doing? Need some scissors, some scissors, some scissors. Bro. The camera was up. Hello. Oh, is there peelies? No. Bro, I'm so scared. I've never done this in my life. Okay, we have this thingy. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Bro. Bro, I'm so slow. Why am I taking forever to open a pack of RAM? Bro, I got this. Yeah, oh yeah. 32 gigabytes of RAM. I feel like this here. This is on, bro. I'm ripping this balls. This is not going back. If this turns on, I need a night out. I need like a party. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. You don't want to see over there. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. What the frick? But how do people do it so nicely? Like, I'm struggling. Bro. Oh my god. Finally. How do I know? How do I know? How do I know? How do I know if it's on? I don't think it's on because everybody's always does the when they put it in there. But mine is not doing the. It's needed. Does this side open? No, I don't think so. Oops. Let's grab it from like. Oh, I put it in the wrong one. Oh. Well, thank goodness it didn't go in, because I thought they were all gone. 2 and 4. I think I'm breaking mine, honey. Oh my god. Why am I scared? That's not it. Two and four. How do I know? Is it good? Because there wasn't no like clickety click click. I hope it's in, bro. Yay! This lady's going too fast, bro. Like, I ain't even get there yet. Like, I've been taking like 10 minutes on the ram, bro. Like, chill on me. Make me chill, bro. Wow! Oh, wow! Oh, why is it like no protection, bro? Bro, this one got like plastic on it, bro. I gotta be careful. This is like my whole life in this. Wait, what does this lady do, bro? I ain't even pay attention. She took her whole like. Getting up. It's getting up. Bro, like stand up. What are you doing, bro? Ooh. Oh, he stood up. Wait, is this supposed to come off? Oh. Oh, it's sticky on the bottom like that lady said. I'm scared. I've never done this before. Oh my god. Wait, I don't even know if these are in. Ah! I'm scared of like breaking it. I think they're in. How would I know? Apparently this part's hard. The gold teeth go here. What? I did. I'm just playing. I don't know. But do you take this off? What the frick? Don't remove it. There's no instructions. No, but this is upside down. Like this. I don't know if we're supposed to take off this dude, bro. Let me look at somebody's bill real quick. Somebody that has the same bill as me. I don't know. I don't want to keep it on and then like just keep it on and then vice versa. And there's no instructions in this box, bro. What the heck? Oh, it's on the back. Oh! That gave me nothing. Wait, I low-key think I put this upside down. No, it's not upside down. I don't know. I'm second guessing. Oh, okay. Keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on. Bro. Oh, heck. Heck no. Bro, this is gonna break, bro. You see it? Bro, what are you? They're even like this? Holy. Bruh. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Let me put it back in the box. Has it. This goes here. Oh. I heard that. I heard that. I heard that. I don't think I was supposed to hear that. Oh my god. Where's the finger? Did I peel this off? Oh, remove. If you don't want me to remove it. How? How? Oh. Wait. Where are my screws? I think I did this wrong. There's no going back. Bro, I didn't even know how to screw for real. Oh my god, bro. If this PC works, bro, I got like 100 bands, bro. After this, we put the cooler on, bro. Wait, I want to see how this lady did it. Righty. Oh, you see, I'm slow. Ooh. Ooh. I'm sorry, motherboard. Bruh. I'm like... If I can build this, I can build anything. Okay. Woo, woo, woo. Easy and oh my goodness, spot. Oh my gosh, it's under. The instructions are under. Bruh. Gang. We already screwed this game, bruh. Bruh, that don't even matter. It don't matter. Should I put this in the case now? Or should I wait? Bruh, I'm already freaking out. I hope this has thermal paste. I did not buy thermal paste. I hope this has thermal paste. Oh, we got the... It's just so big. I'm not gonna get this in the camera. We got the frost flow. Ooh. Yay! Good job, me.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? What the dog doing?
Okay, so the PC is finally finished building, but let me tell you, like, it was so bad. So here's some really bad gameplay of me testing the PC while I talk about it. So after, what's the last step I did? I shall be putting the cooler in. The power supply. After that, I had to connect the fans, and me and the fans were not besties. Like, my PC case didn't come with like a fan hub, and like everybody was just like, you just need to connect it to the fan hub. Just connect it to the fan hub. And I'm like, there is no fan hub. And I was tweaking out because there is no fan hub. So I took like a day to figure it out. And I found out that's why the wires look like that. It's because the fans are in the front, like the wires. And there's no fan hub to shove them all in the back. And I'm out here tweaking. I'm like, bruh, is this supposed to look like this? This thing might explode. And yeah. But all I can say, if you don't have a fan hub, just connect everything to each other. Like, is it called a daisy chain? Just daisy chain that thing and plug it into one source and hope it doesn't explode. Yeah. And even the color, the RGB thing was so freaking confusing. And the one cord in the bottom, like, it's like 10, like 8, like mini cords, because mine didn't come with like because nowadays, like the newer cases, like mine's looking an older case, it comes with it all connected. But like, it was like 8 things. It's just like, you're supposed to connect it specifically to each one. Specifically, like, I don't even know how to spell it. I was going to spell it out. But I was tweaking out because I was like, dang, bruh. And my family, the person that was helping me, like, already left. And I was like, dang, bruh. I don't even know where I'm supposed to go with this. And everybody's like, are you done with it? Are you done with it yet? So I was tweaking out. But I finally got it. And I was like, hey, I pray this is together. So I finally plugged that in, right? Boom, boom, boom. Fans, after a day and me, like, chilling and raging and following so many tutorials, boom, boom, boom. That's all done. Finally. I don't know what I'm playing right now. I hope it's a good game. But what was I gonna say? I forgot. But after all the fans were connected, I had to put, after the fans, what was left? Oh, my RTX. Oh, that was so easy, bro. Like, I could put in like 30 RTXs and not break them because that was so easy. But I didn't know you're supposed to like unscrew the thing, and I was low-key tweaking. I was like, what? How am I supposed to plug in my monitor? But I ended up figuring that out. And after that, I turned it on. I was like, yay, it's finally on. It was lighting up. The RAM wasn't connected. If I didn't already show that, I think I did show that. But the RAM was connected. Wasn't connected. English. Wasn't. Oh my god. Connected. So I had to like figure that thing out. I figured out that I didn't push it hard enough. So low-key abuse your RAM because that thing is supposed to like click, like crunch. And I was so scared because what they don't tell you is like PC, when you build a PC, like it makes noise. Like not every little noise means it's like broken. And yeah, after I turned it on, it opened up, it like ding ding, the BIOS came, right? I was like, yes, it's working. Oh my god, I actually built a PC. I was jumping up and down. I was FaceTiming everyone. I was like, bro, look what I just did, bro. And because of the BIOS, I'm like, I don't know what this means. I'm gonna skip this and download Windows. I'm a good kid, so I bought Windows and I bought the CD version. And I was like, oh my god, why? I have no CD port. So I'm out here like Googling, what's that thing called? Redditing. Oh my god. Redditing. That's not even a verb. I'm out here, Reddit's just like, oh yeah, you need a USB. You're a noob. You need a USB. I'm like, I don't even own a USB because I never had to use one in my life. I probably did, but I was a kid. But I was like, no, I can figure this out. And I went to bed because I finished that PC build at like 10 p.m. at night. So I went to bed. I woke up. I went back. And I was like, man, I just got to go to Best Buy. Because Micro Center is like a 45-minute drive. And I was like, I am not driving 45 minutes to go check this out when I can drive a full 15 minutes. So I drove to Best Buy. And I was like, hey, I built this yesterday, and it turns on and everything, but I have a CD and a key, and I can't do anything with that. He's like, yeah, we can get that for you for $100.
And
I looked at him,
like chopped.
100? He's like, yeah, that's our cost. I was like, oh yeah, and I was like, okay, I'll pay that, and I paid it, and then I waited, and he's like, yeah, you just need to sign this paperwork, and we'll get it done for you tomorrow. I was like, I came here for this to be a 30-minute process. He's like, yeah, you're going to have to come and pick it up in 2 to 3 days, maybe tomorrow if you're lucky. And I'm like, what? I have to leave this brand new PC, this $1 million PC, with people I don't even know? And I thought, like, I saw the cost on the board. I was like, oh, maybe that's just for members. Like, this is a one-time thing. I'm never going to do this again because I've learned my lesson. And I paid that money. I know everybody's probably going to be mad at me. I was like, oh, my God. I spent $100 on this freaking CD just to pay $100 to get this freaking... I still have the CD. They didn't even use the PC. They used the USB with the key that came with the CD. And I was like, oh, I could have just done that if I did more research on how to build a PC. But I'm so freaking stupid. But that's okay. It's okay. No, it's not. I'm still mad. Like, I don't even want to go into Best Buy because every time I look over there, I'm like, I have to really pay $100. But yeah, okay. Then I could finally access Windows. The next day, wait, let me go backwards. The next day, I finally got my PC. I'm like, yes, I can finally play my games. And it turns on. I'm like, okay. Log into Microsoft. Okay, I don't have Wi-Fi. I bought a motherboard thinking it has Wi-Fi. It didn't have Wi-Fi. So I had to come and Google. This one was a little bit easier. It's just like, okay, do this command, da 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 da. And I'm like, okay, I did that command. I'm in Windows now. And it doesn't even have the globe thing. Like, if you know the globe that it comes with when you get the Wi-Fi, it didn't even have that. So now I'm Googling, Redditing, why doesn't my PC have Wi-Fi with this motherboard that says it has Wi-Fi? They're like, yeah, you have to download the drivers. The drivers. Okay. I know, the drivers. Yeah, I love drivers. I'm like, okay, all I need to do is download the drivers. I have no Wi-Fi to download drivers, so how do I get the drivers? You need a USB. I don't have a USB. So, I'm out here trying to figure this out. Like, they're like, yeah, you can use your phone, your Android phone, and upload it and drive it because Apple hates freaking Windows. And I'm like, oh my god, I only have Apple products and a Windows laptop. And I'm like, okay, let me try my Windows laptop. No, I needed a USB. So I finally caved in, went to Target at like 7 p.m. and bought a USB. And I was like, oh my god, thank God. And I bought it, and I came and plugged it in. I was rushing upstairs. I was like, I need to finish this PC build. I'm so freaking tired of everything. And I went to go upload my freaking thing that I downloaded because Reddit was like, okay, use this one. That was not the right one. I tried the next one. I tried it again. I'm like, am I tweaking out right now? Like, what the frick is happening? I can't do this anymore. I'm out here, like, tweaking. And somebody on Reddit, like, whoever they are, like, goodness gracious, thank goodness you exist, was like, yeah, guys, if you have this motherboard, you need to try the 2022 version, the one at the bottom. I'm like, bro, this is my last one, because I went through all of these drivers now for Wi-Fi. I'm like, bruh, if this doesn't work, I'm actually like, I'm gonna return this. I don't even know what to do. I can't go to Best Buy again and spend $100 to get Wi-Fi on my thing to download some drivers. I can't do that. So I did the last one. I plugged it in. I opened it. I launched it. And it worked. I started screaming tears of joy, like screaming, like crying, like I don't even know, bruh. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm never building a PC again, because why was that so hard? And it's not descriptive, because I'm like, they're like, my PC came with like the twisty thing that you plug into like the motherboard that like connects the Wi-Fi to make it more stable. I'm out here thinking, oh, I just need to plug that in. It didn't work. No, you need to download the drivers. As soon as I clicked into Wi-Fi, everything started downloading. I'm like, we need to find a better process for this, for the people that don't understand how drivers work, because it's like, how the frick am I supposed to know? I need to download I feel like I should know this. People are gonna be like, you should know this when you're doing PC. But as someone that's a noob, like D1 noob, how am I supposed to know I'm supposed to download the drivers and use it to the Wi-Fi? But yeah, I got Wi-Fi, and I was finally at peace, and now I know how to build a PC. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Mwah. That wasn't needed. That kiss wasn't needed. But yeah, in conclusion, do your research before you build a PC.